Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create viral Bible stories using AI. You might have seen videos like this one here trending on the social media. Let's have a look.
Hey everyone, it's Mary here in Nazareth. You will not believe what just happened. An angel, Gabriel, just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel.
Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus. Guys, you will not believe what James, John, and I just witnessed. We're on this mountain with Jesus, and he literally just glowed, like super bright.
So you might have seen these kind of videos trending on social media, and you're wondering, how do you create this kind of videos? That is what I'm going to show you how to do using AI. Hi. This is Freelance and Business. If you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more about the services I offer. So without further ado, let's get started on today's video on how to create viral Bible story videos using AI. So to get started creating viral Bible story videos using AI is to go to Google and search for VEO3. So we'll go to Google, search for VEO3 as you can see here. Then you click on VEO as you can see here. Then you will be taken to this page here where you can try VEO3 using Gemini or try with Flow. So we'll select try VEO3 using Flow. So this will open on a new tab as you can see here. And if you don't already have a Google account, you need to create one. Then now you can start creating with Google VEO 3. So, but it's very important to mention here that you will be using the trial version for 1 month. You'll try this application or this AI tool for free for 1 month. So I have already signed up on my own and I'm ready to get started using Flow. So I'll click on create with Flow and I'll be taken to this page here where I can start. I'll have to sign in with Google. So I'll click on sign in with Google and I'll be signed in as you can see here, and I can get started from here now creating my first project. But first we need ideas on the Bible stories that you'd like to cover. For this one, we will use Gemini AI to get ideas on Bible stories, and we'll delve on the New Testament part of the Bible. So we'll go to Gemini, we'll go open a new tab on my screen here and go and open gemini.google.com. Then you'll be taken to the screen here. Now from here, we will ask Gemini to give us 10 Bible story scenes in the New Testament. So I'll type in here, give us 10 New Testament Bible story scenes. Yeah, let's have that one. So here, as you can see, we have 10 Bible story scenes. The next step that we need to take after here is to instruct the AI tool to give us now the vlog styles, whereby or a scene where someone is talking for the 10 scenes now. So we'll tell the AI tool to give us turn these scenes to vlog style, conversation where the character is on this, where the Bible character is on the scenes, character is on the scenes and is reporting to the world what's happening. Make it short, make the make it short. So let's make it short and sweet. So make it short and sweet. So let's see what the Gemini AI will give us. So I'll click on submit. Let's see. So you can see here we have the results. Now the Annunciation, Mary reporting, hey everyone, it's Mary here in Nazareth. You'll not believe what just happened. An angel Gabriel just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel. He said, I'm going to have a baby and it's God's son. Totally mind blown right now. Wish me luck. So this kind of funny. So we have 10 scenes from the Bible. This is what we'll be going to use now to create the videos using now the flow, the VEO3 flow, and start a new project. We wait for it to load here. So this is the scene. So type in the prompt to start. Text to video, frames to video, text to video. So we'll select here VEO3, text, better audio, VEO3 quality. So we'll select VEO3 first, text to video, then output we select one. Yeah, so we'll put the text that we got from Gemini AI. So this is the first one. We'll select this Annunciation. So we'll put this one here. Generate a video of Mary reporting during annunciation, like annunciation, as you can see here, during annunciation, and says Mary from the Bible, from the New Testament, Bible, reporting during Annunciation, saying. So let's have this prompt. So we'll try this one and see what it will give us. So let's see. We enter and see. We have the video ready, so let's see.
Hey everyone, it's Mary here in Nazareth. You will not believe what just happened. An angel, Gabriel, just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel.
So as you can see, it has generated the video. It's look good. So we will do other 3 videos for this tutorial so that you can see how powerful this VEO3 is in generating real videos from the scenes. So I'll just pause here. I'll not pause here. I'll just generate the next video. So we come to Jesus walking. We'll come to the net. Let's see, Jesus walking on the water, Peter reporting. So we'll copy here. So we'll say copy, then come to flow and then generate a video. We'll say generate a video of Jesus walking on water, and Peter is reporting from the scene, and Peter is reporting from the scene. Is reporting from the scene in a selfie style video. So we'll create this one here, as you can see. So in a selfie style presentation, in the selfie style video. So say, then we'll copy the here we have, it's quite long, but the AI tool will cut it down to a shorter one. So we copy here, then we paste this what Peter is saying. Okay, so this is insane. We are in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus. I even tried to join him, but well, let's just say I needed a hand. He definitely got this whole defying physics thing down. So this really looks funny. Sounds funny, actually, not looks funny. So let's give the instruction to VEO3 and see the video that comes out. So click enter and we wait for the video to be generated. And remember, you can download all these videos once it's generated. If you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. So let's get back to the video. As we can see here, we have the video ready with us. So let's play and see.
Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus. Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus. Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of...
So we will generate the last video and then we can combine the three videos, and so we have the third video ready about Peter reporting from the scene during the transfiguration, and let's listen and see.
So what James, John, and I just witnessed. We're on this mountain with Jesus, and he literally just glowed, like super bright.
So we have the three videos ready for us to now compile and add other features. So we'll download, we upscale and download. So I'll download the three videos and we'll come back and compile the videos. So we have the three videos ready from the Bible stories that you've just generated, and I'll open Camtasia Studio here, as you can see here, and I'll import the videos that you've just generated from VEO3 AI tool from Google. So let's import the videos here. I'll import them here, and then I'll put these videos on the timeline. So, and we have all the three videos now. In each scene we can add natural sound, natural sound effects to these videos for each scene. So let's play and see first how it comes out. We can add even transitions to these videos to make them very interesting to watch by the people. So let's see.
Hey everyone, it's Mary here in Nazareth. You will NOT believe what just happened. An angel, Gabriel, just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel.
Guys, you will not believe what James, John, and I just witnessed. We're on this mountain with Jesus, and he literally just glowed, like super bright. Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus.
I usually use Pixabay to get the sound effects for each of the videos that I create. So you come to, on your browser, come to pixabay.com, then look for sound effects. So let's wait for this website to load and we will see what will come here. So we come here to sound effects. On the sound effects here, we look for natural, we search for nature bird sound. Let's see, we need about 10 seconds of this. Let's listen to this one. We can use this one. We download this sound effect and place it on VEO3. So we download and import on Camtasia Studio. We put the sound effect to this video. Remember that VEO3 generates 8 seconds of each video that you generate for each scene. So we have here,
Hey everyone, it's me.
so we put the sound to make it reduce the volume of this video of sound to about 8%. Yeah, there.
Mary here in Nazareth. You will NOT
No, we put about 22.
believe what just happened. An angel, Gabriel, just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel.
Guys, you will.
So we can see it looks good. We put 4%.
Hey everyone, it's Mary here in Nazareth. You will NOT believe what just happened. An angel, Gabriel, just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel.
Guys, you will not believe what James, John, and I just witnessed. We're on this mountain with Jesus, and he literally just glowed, like super bright. Okay, so this is insane. We're in a.
So we will swap this one and then have the arrangement look like this. So we will look for ocean storm sound effect. So we look for here ocean storm. So let's listen. So we will use this one, heavy windstorm, for this video. So we'll download this audio. So once you have the download done, we come here to heavy sound and export it to Camtasia Studio. And remember, it doesn't matter which video editing tool that you're using to edit your videos. What matters is how you compile these videos. As you can see here, we pick every sound, we put here, then we come to this here, then we reduce the volume to 14% or like 20%, 19%. Let's see how this video will sound.
Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of
So we need to
Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus, guys, you will not believe what.
so
Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus, guys, you will not believe what James. This is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus, guys, you will not believe James, John, and I.
So we have this compilation.
Hey everyone, it's Mary here in Nazareth. You will NOT believe what just happened. An angel, Gabriel, just appeared to me. Yes, a real angel.
Okay, so this is insane. We're in a boat on the Sea of Galilee, huge storm, and guess who just showed up walking on the water? Jesus. Guys, you will not believe what James, John, and I just witnessed. We're on this mountain with Jesus, and he literally just glowed, like super bright.
You can put other videos in between these selfie story videos. The most important thing is to pass the message to those people who are interested in joining Christianity or understanding the Bible better. I hope you found this video helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Which AI tool are you using to create viral videos to share on social media or on YouTube or short videos? And if you're new on this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai.